Hello Didgeridoo players, I'm Jürgen Breuniger, and together with Britt Petersen we will do a workshop for you, and in this workshop we are practicing the rhythm Doudounba, the dance of the strong man. Britt will play for you the Djembe, and you will learn the Djembe rhythms. All drummers will learn the Djembe rhythms from Doudounba, and the Didgeridoo players will learn these rhythms on Didgeridoo. And we have several Didgeridoo grooves with clapsticks and with shaker. And we have also the bass drums, and we will learn to play together. And I think it will be a very exciting workshop. All informations about this workshop you find at the on the homepage of michaelirger.at, and I show you this side. Thank you. We see you at the workshop.
See you
on the Didgeridoo and DIDGE-MAS festival. You know what I mean? Virtual Didgeridoo festival. We see you.